Welcome guys. Let's do Stacks coin technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of Stacks is 53 and price of Stacks is $2.66 right now. Market cap of Stacks is $3.4 billion, which is very good. Fully diluted market cap of Stacks is $4.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Stacks is 217 million and circulating supply of Stacks is 1.29 billion. Maximum supply of Stacks is 1.8 billion and total supply of Stacks is 1.35 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I am going to show you my charts. All-time high of Stacks was on November 16, 2021, about 17 days ago, and price was $3.61. All-time low of Stacks was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 4 cents. Stack return on investment is 2069, which is very huge. What is Stack? Stack is layer 1 blockchain solution that is designed to bring smart contracts and decentralized applications dApps to Bitcoin. These smart contracts are brought to Bitcoin without changing any of the features that make it so powerful, including its security and stability. Stacks is available on these exchanges, Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, and if you want to buy this on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and register your account, and after registration and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $5,680 bonuses of these exchanges. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just click on these links and register your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable and these bonuses are absolutely free. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you website of this token. Unleash, here you can see. This is, let me please click on this. This is the website. Please visit this website by your own, and please do your own research before buying this token. And this is very important to all of you. Here you can see. Unleash Bitcoin's full potential. Latest ecosystem news. Staking a new way to earn Bitcoin and 6.9% APY and proof of transfer, Bitcoin DeFi, Bitcoin NFTs, and some other important features. Bullet Powerful app secured by Bitcoin, and here you can see these are all technical information. Please visit this website. Let me please show you first chart. This is STX USDT pair 4-hour chart, and after creating top at $3.2, it is now at $2.62 right now. It is in this falling wedge. Once it broke this upper trend line of this falling wedge, in that case our first target is $3 and second target would be $3.26, and if it rejected from this zone, in that case $2.41 is a strong support for this token. And there is also a pattern. If you look at clearly, let me please show you. It is like a bull flag, and if I measure this and if I let me please show you the target. Here you can see $3.76 will be the target. If price goes down to this level, then $3.76 will be the target of this bull flag. And if I put it at here, in that case target will be like this, $3.85. but for this it have to break this horizontal resistance which is at $3 price zone. Let me please show you volume. Well, there is a good volume in this chart. This is very good sign. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles broke this EMA ribbon and that is very good sign. Now this strong EMA is turned as a support zone, which is very good sign. And let me please hide this and let me please show you RSI. For our RSI is above 50 and that is bullish, and that is very good. And MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. Maybe we may see price increase, and after that this crossover will happen, and this will be the very good sign. Let me please show you second chart. This is STX USDT pair daily chart, and after creating top at 3.29, it is at $2.62 right now. There is a strong spot is at $2.43 right now, and you can say our first target is $2.95. And once it broke this area, this horizontal resistance of $2.95, in that case our target would be, let me please show you, in that case our target would be like this, $3.55. You can say our first target is 2.95, second target is 3.29, and last target is $3.55. These are immediate short-term targets. STX can hit these targets within days, and if it rejected from this zone and broke this horizontal support, in that case next support zone is this area, $2.12. After that $1.80 price area. These are the support zones. Note on these zones. Let me please show you some indicators. There is a very good volume in daily chart, and that is very good sign. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and this is very good sign, and price will go up definitely. And let me please show you other indicators. RSI is still above 60, and that is very good, and it is bullish. MACD daily crossover towards upside towers are very big, and this is the indication price can further go up. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. And let me please zoom this, and let me please fix this chart. Here you can see these yellow dots are main CPR levels, and candle is to break this. And once candles closing above $2.61 price zone, this will turn into support. And after that, these blue dots are monthly CPR bullish targets. First monthly CPR bullish target is $3.15. Second monthly CPR bullish target is $3.52. And third monthly CPR bullish target is $4.20. These are the targets for this month. Note down these targets. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart of STX, and here you can see after creating top at 3.20, it is at 2.61 right now, and this is a support zone, a horizontal resistance zone, sorry, and there is a support zone is at this level. And once it broke this area, $2.75 price area, in that case our target would be, let me please show you, $3.68. And our next support area is this zone. If it broke this zone, in that case next support zone is this zone, but I don't think so. I think it can easily hit this, and after that it have to break this, and I am sure that it can break easily. And let me please find the target of this bull run, but before this I have to show you some fib levels to trade. Here you can see, if I put it from bottom to top, here you can see it broke this 0.23 fib level, and it is about to hit all-time high of this Fibonacci level, and once it rejected from this zone, in that case 0.38, which is 2.2 $2.09 will be next and bearish target, and after that 1.73 is bearish targets. These are the targets, bearish targets, if it rejected from this zone in that case. And let me please show you target for this bull run. Let me please fix this. Here you can see we are in between this zone 0.38 Fibonacci level, 2.5 Fibonacci level. Once it break 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $2.62, in that case next is 0.61 Fibonacci level, which is golden pocket, and it is at $2.82. After that 0.78, which is $3.11 price zone, and after that this zone 3.47, and after that let me please show you target for this bull run, and I think it can easily hit this target. My target for this stack for in this bull run will be $7 to $10 price area, and I think it can easily hit this area. Sorry, $7 to $9 price area, and this is the target, and I think it can hit these targets, maybe $7, maybe $8, maybe $9, but these are the targets I think so for this bull run. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These are absolutely free bounces. You can trade with these bounces. Trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.